And the IFTA goes to Tom McInerney and Dee Corcoran for the Tudors.
Wow. Oh, hang on a second, I gotta take my iPhone out for this. I said I was gonna take a photograph of this. Oh no, the password.
Give me that.
Seamus, Morgan, Kieran, everybody on Tudors. Thanks. Yeah, it's dumb actually using my password. Ironic, isn't it? D-U-M-B. There you go.
All I can say is thank God Tom won, because I think he'd just, he'd leave the industry if he didn't this year.
Man, I gotta take a photograph of this. Everybody smile. Yay! Woo!
Thank you so much to Morgan O'Sullivan, who's just the greatest man on this planet. To Michael Hurst, to Seamus McInerney, to Joan Bergen. Thank you. Thank you, Showtime. Thanks very much.
Cool. Cheers.